If you've just welcomed a new kitten into your home, congratulations. But remember, baby cats are fragile little lives that need extra care. Today, we'll talk about 4 deadly diseases that kittens are most vulnerable to, and how you can protect your furry baby from them. First, the feline herpes virus, or FHV1, often called the cat cold. It's one of the most common infections among cats, but for kittens, it can be life-threatening. You might notice sneezing, runny nose, red or teary eyes, and a loss of appetite. The best protection? Vaccination and isolation from infected cats. Next, feline calicivirus, or FCV. This virus doesn't just affect the respiratory system, it also attacks the mouth. Kittens may suffer from painful mouth ulcers, drooling, bad breath, fever, and fatigue. In severe cases, pneumonia or dehydration can follow. Again, regular vaccination is the key defense. Third, the most feared, feline infectious peritonitis, or FIP. It starts from a harmless coronavirus that mutates inside the body. Kittens under stress or with weak immunity are most at risk. There are 2 types: the wet form, which causes fluid buildup in the chest or belly, and the dry form, which affects the eyes, liver, and brain. Sadly, there's no perfect vaccine yet, but reducing stress and keeping your kitten's environment clean can greatly lower the risk. Finally, feline panleukopenia virus, often called panleuk or parvo. This one is extremely contagious and deadly. In kittens under 2 months old, the fatality rate can reach 90%. Symptoms include vomiting, bloody diarrhea, high fever, and extreme weakness. It spreads through contaminated bowls, litter boxes, or even clothing. Immediate isolation, disinfection, and vaccination are critical. So how can you keep your kitten safe? Follow these 4 golden rules. 1. Stick to the vaccination schedule. First shot at 6 to 8 weeks, second at 9-11 weeks, third at 12-14 weeks, and rabies at around 16 weeks. Then, yearly boosters. 2. Provide a balanced diet. High-protein kitten food, not human snacks. 3. Keep their environment clean. Sanitize litter boxes, bowls, and bedding daily. 4. Minimize stress. Give them a quiet, safe space and gentle affection every day. Kittens may be tiny, but their lives depend on your care. If your kitten shows sudden fatigue, eye discharge, or appetite loss, don't wait. Visit your vet immediately. Early detection saves lives. Love, attention, and prevention. That's all it takes to help your little one grow up healthy and strong. If you've just welcomed a new kitten into your home, congratulations. But remember, baby cats are fragile little lives that need extra care. Today, we'll talk about 4 deadly diseases that kittens are most vulnerable to and how you can protect your furry baby from them. First, feline herpes virus, or FHV1, the so-called cat cold. It's extremely contagious, and for kittens, it can lead to severe respiratory issues or even pneumonia. Watch for sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and fatigue. Vaccination and keeping sick cats separate are the best defenses. Second, feline calicivirus, or FCV. It causes painful mouth ulcers and drooling, and kittens may lose their appetite or develop high fevers. If left untreated, it can progress to pneumonia. Regular vaccination prevents most cases. Third, feline infectious peritonitis, or FIP, one of the most dangerous feline diseases. It comes from a mutated coronavirus and often strikes kittens under stress. The wet form causes fluid buildup in the abdomen or chest, while the dry form affects organs and the nervous system. There's no complete vaccine yet, so keep your kitten's environment clean and stress-free. Fourth, feline panleukopenia virus, or FPV, also known as panleuk. This virus is extremely deadly for kittens, with up to 90% fatality in very young ones. Symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and lethargy. It spreads through contaminated surfaces or even clothing, so disinfection and early vaccination are crucial. To protect your kitten, follow 4 golden rules. Maintain the vaccination schedule, provide balanced nutrition, keep everything clean, and minimize stress. Remember, prevention saves lives. If you notice loss of appetite, cloudy eyes, or unusual behavior, don't wait. Visit your vet immediately. With your love and proper care, your tiny kitten can grow into a happy, healthy cat.